Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to Tech Wright. And today we are going to do an overdue video, and we are going to talk about the iPhone X Apple Silicone Case. Did I mention it was for the iPhone X? So I did a video on this previously, but when I first got my iPhone X, I bought whatever case was in store, which just happened to be the clear Tech 21 case for the iPhone X, which I love. I will put a card up in the corner right over here or over here, whichever one it is, for you to be able to click on that and watch it if you are interested. Every single time I get a phone, and the new phone, which I usually get the new phone every single year, I end up getting the silicone Apple case. That way I can take it and compare it to any other case that I get to see if I can find a good one. And the reason that I do that is because I love these cases. These cases are just, I can't find anything to compare to the protection versus how slim it is. It's just the best case. It's just the best case. When I bought this, and I have never done this before, this was the very last one in the store. However, and I got this at Best Buy, and that's why it was the very last one. But when I got this, it drove me crazy a little bit because I did the Best Buy store pickup to where I could save it and they would put it up for me and I could just run in and get it. When I got it, it was already open like this on the side, which upset me greatly because I never ever buy anything open box. I think that technically this should have been given to me as an open box price, and I'm sure if I had thrown a fit they would have. I mean, I was in a hurry and I really wanted to do this video and I wanted to get this case and I didn't want to wait for it, so I just said give me that case. So since you're here in action, we can just break this off, which, to be fair, I mean, this packaging has never ever been anything special by any means. We can pull this out, and for those of you who have not seen my videos or explained it, I'll just take it from the top. The inside of the Apple silicone cases, as you can see or may not see, depending on the exposure of this video, it is lined with a microfiber lining on the sides, top, and in the back of the phone. That way it'll protect your phone, and if you ate any dust in between the case and the phone, it's not going to scratch it, and it's going to have a really good chance of you being able to just get that out, even if it even gets in there. Due to the fact that the case is so soft on the inside, you don't have a hard shell pushing on the back of your phone constantly, and that cushion is going to keep the dust particles from scratching the back of your phone. That's number one reason why I love this case. Number two reason why I love this case is because of the opening in the bottom. It allows you easy access to your ports and speaker. Not only do I love the difference between the openings and the marks right here on the case, it's just, and overall it's really easy for me to take a microfiber cloth or an alcohol wipe and clean out the speakers at the bottom of my phone as well as the port when I have that opening in the bottom, as opposed to the Tech 21 case that has the ridges. It's a lot easier for me to pop this case off and pop it on. And something I want to talk about, when you have to take this case off a lot and put it back on, I have a problem with having to do that so much, because with this type of case, it's harder of a backing, but there's more of a gel-like substance that wraps around the side of the phone. So when you do that and you take it off and you put it on and you take it off and put it on, the elasticity of the case wears out, and then you start getting these stretch marks where you've taken the case off. And that bothers me more than anything, because not only is dust particles going to get in here, but you're going to have an issue with the stability and the fit of the case. And in my mind, I'm thinking, if I drop this and it's all stretched out, it's either going to fall off and my phone's going to skid and, you know, do that, what do you call those things? Skipping rocks, that's what it is. But if you clean your phone one good time, or you just want to throw it in here anyway, this is going to help keep your phone from getting scratched. So even if it does get dirty underneath, It's not going to be that big of a deal. So I can at least take this case off and put this on while I'm on it so you can see it. Every time I take this Tech 21 case off, I feel like I'm going to break the phone because it's so sturdy. I mean, that's a good thing about it, but it's really difficult for me to be able to do that. So look how, actually, you know what? I don't know why it's taking me so long to get this case and put it on my phone, because it looks so, I don't want to say it, fresh. I hate that word. I hate using it in a sentence. Overall, though, I love this case already. And putting it on makes me realize how heavy this one is. This, like, I can't believe how heavy this case was. I can't. So overall, you know that the Apple silicone case is my favorite no matter what. The white case and the black case is the only cases that I've ever had. All right, you guys, so if you don't have this case, or you do, put something in the comments below. Let me know if you like these cases, and if you don't, what kind of case do you like? I'm interested to see, because I would like to buy some of your suggestions for cases and then review them on this channel with the iPhone 10. So be sure to drop those in the comments below. Let me know what case you think I should buy and review on this channel. So I'm kind of interested to see what you guys come up with, or whatever you want me to review as far as accessories in general. I could do that too. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. I know I say it every single video and it probably gets annoying, but I just wanted, I just like letting you know how much I appreciate you for watching my videos. Again, leave those comments down below. Give me some suggestions on what I should buy and what I shouldn't buy. Either way, I'm gonna review it on my channel. Just drop me suggestions. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, please, and then subscribe to my channel. I recently went over 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 1,014, 1,015 now. So I'm starting to grow a little bit faster. Still not monetizing my channel though, because YouTube's. So if you even want to do any of those things, the comments section's down there. The subscribe button is right here. And hey, my past 2 videos are right here. So I love all of you guys. Bye.